Hi, and welcome to my porch transformation, starting with a very important anchor product that every porch needs. Whether you're welcoming in fall or you want something that's evergreen year-round to host all your seasonal favorites, look at this transformation. The trick is, can you tell if they're real? Upgrading your home exterior and front porch curb appeal has never been easier than with this set of two 5-foot artificial cedar topiary trees from Mavis Dairy Store. Designed with an ultra-realistic compact pyramidal shape, these faux cypress trees give you all the lush, vibrant greenery of live evergreens without any of the hassle of pruning or endless watering. Whether you want to frame your front entrance, brighten up a back patio, or add a touch of year-round elegance to an indoor living or entryway, this pack of two delivers an instant decorative upgrade. Look at that difference. Each tree stands a full 5 feet tall, creating a substantial visual impact right out of the box. One of these standout functional features is that of square black pots. Now I have transferred it into some white pots here, and watch what else I'm going to do to make an even further transformation. I put them in some really tall planters. Now, the black pot has a fillable water base to keep it from tipping over. The smart design adds an essential weight to the bottom, ensuring your trees remain sturdy and upright even on windy days. Now look at the total transformation when I added my other decor. It's an absolute must-have, provided for me for my honest opinion, and I love it. I think you will be very pleased. They are made from durable UV-resistant materials, and they give you an outdoor evergreen that deepens green, rich color through every season, resisting sunlight, fading, rain, and cold weather doesn't bother them. If you're looking for zero maintenance, this is high-end landscaping year-round.